बहुत बुरा हाल है। जब हम घर लौटेंगे ना तो वहाँ को जो लोग हैं मेरे काट के फेंक देंगे।
I'll sell my kidney to raise money for my depositors, but please let me live.
The depositors are abusing me. My husband has thrown me out of his house.
Collection agents of the Sarda Group in desperation when their company, the Sarda Group, one of Eastern India's biggest chit fund companies, went bust. Upset investors targeted them. Now, fearing a backlash from investors, thousands of agents have gathered in Kolkata seeking governmental intervention. But the Sarda Group's proximity to the Trinamool Congress has put the government in a corner.
ये सरकार कुछ करेगा तो बहुत अच्छा है, सब लोग वोट मिलेगा सब दीदी को। अगर कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा तो सब सुसाइड कर लेगा।
Meanwhile, Sudipto Sen, the group chairman, has gone into hiding. The group, which owns several pro-Trinamool newspapers and TV channels, said earlier this month they would close most of their media companies. One of their employees has now filed a case against Sen and other directors.
Some of the employees have not been paid for 3 months. And our income tax that had been deducted at source from our salaries have not been deposited with the income tax department.
Only the ripples of this deep-seated crisis have now reached the Trinamool Congress headquarters here in Kolkata. Party insiders are apprehending a tsunami that could be on its way. Unless, of course, Mamata Banerjee manages to find a solution which will be nothing short of a miracle.
These kinds of non-banking finance institutes constituted in the time of the left front government and in connivance with the central government at that time UPA 1 years they have started their functioning.
Dozens of chit fund companies, big and small, operate in Bengal, and Sarda's collapse has triggered panic among depositors at other companies, leading to street fights such as in Barasat in the northern fringes of Kolkata. Several offices of Sarda and others have been ransacked in the district in the past few days. This could well be Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's toughest challenge yet. With Saugata Mukhopadhyay in Kolkata, this is Edwin Thomas.